Milka. Look at, this is what Mommy was doing up here. I was making some jam with the blueberries.
This how you put it away?
Yeah, and we're gonna stir this just a little bit, okay? We'll do like blueberry swirl, okay? We're gonna pour some in to our popsicle mold.
Another one.
And then you put the stick in. Can you put that stick in here? Perfect. Let's do the next one. We should have gone this way. Okay, don't put it in yet. Don't put it in yet because I just want to do this way so I can pour it in a little bit easier. Okay, now put one stick in one side.
And the other one.
Okay, then we're gonna leave it right here on the counter for about 8 minutes, and then we're gonna have popsicles. That's it.
I know what to wait.
We will just wait. Are they ready? They're not wiggling. So we're gonna take the key and screw it all the way on.
And now.
And when it gets tough, you keep going, and it'll pop it right out of there. Hang on, just wait. We'll go all the way. Now pull it out.
My popsicle. Pop.
Should we try one for you, Mila? Ready?
Don't want it too rough or too slow. Maybe the one is so fast.
Hold the handle, Mila. There you go.